Today we will be presenting our algorithm for a guessing game using binary string. The headers. So from line number 5 to 9, we define a tree node as a structure. In line number 6, we declare a string for the data. In line number 7, this is a pointer to tree node to store the address of the left child. And same with line number 8, we store the address of the right child. In line number 10 to 21, we define a binary tree as a class. In line number 12, we declare the address of the structure tree node as root. In line number 14 to 17, we create a constructor that is executed whenever we create new objects of this class. Here, we set the root to null or empty, and root is to fill the function parameter of the begin function. In line number 18, a function prototype for begin with a parameter of pointer and the data to tree node. In line number 19, a function prototype for win, and in line number 20, a function prototype for lose with a parameter of 2 pointer and the data to tree node.
In line 22 to 84, this is the function that starts the game. We have sorting declaration in line 24. In line 25 to 79, if tree is not empty, it prints the person, place, or things. If the answer is no, in line 30, if 3 points to right is not empty. In line 31, if 3 points the right then left and 3 points to right then right is not empty. The computer guesses. If the answer is yes, you win. If the answer is no, you lose.
In line 44 to 47, otherwise it starts the game. In line 49 to 52, if the 3 points to right is not empty, it will go to lose function because there's no default data yet. In line 54, if 3 is empty. In line 55, if 3 points to left is not empty, and if 3 points to left, then left is not empty. In line 58, it starts the game. Otherwise, the computer guesses. If the answer is yes, you win. If the answer is no, you lose. In line 74 to 77, 3 points to left is empty. It will go to lose function because there's no default data yet. In line 80 to 83, if 3 is empty, it will go to lose function because there's no default data yet.
In line 85 to 102, this is the win function. If you win the game, we have string declarations. It prints I win. And as long as the user does not enter no, play again. It prints play again. If the answer is yes, of course you will play again. It will go to the begin function. This is the begin function. If the answer is no, it will thank you for playing. This is the no. If you answer no, it means you are done playing. In this function, it will determine if you lose the game. In line 104 and 105 are declarations. In line 106 and 107 are the new created tree node. In line 108 to 114 If the root is empty, the computer knows nothing yet, and it will ask you for a word.
In line 115 to 121, if the computer is giving up, the user will give the correct answer. And in line 123 to 126, if the tree is not empty, it will ask you to give either yes or no, and it will distinguish your answer from the one the computer guessed. In 127 to 134, if the root is not empty, the second tree that points to the left is not empty. And if the second tree points to the left, then the left is not empty. It will ask you to give a yes or no question to distinguish your answer from the one the computer guessed. And in line 135 to 137, it will ask you to give again a yes or no question so that the computer know what it is.
Line 147 to 160. If the tree is not empty and if the answer is yes, then it will set the correct animal to be the left side answer. Otherwise, make it the right side answer. And in line 175, if the root is empty, and in line number 176, root will be equal to 3, and as long as the user does not enter no, it will not play again. And if the answer is yes, it will play again. In line 188 to 193, this is the function to hit enter key. And in line 194 to 213, this is the function to show the game instructions. We use the itline function here for the press enter. In the main, we call the instruction function, and we call and declare binary tree as a guessing game.